Hello friends, it's Tim here from Super Mayhem. Oh, and boy howdy do I have a video for you. So I put this on my TikTok last night, and yes that's right, I have a TikTok. If you don't know, I'll leave the link below for you to check it out. And well, it's not quite gaming, but it definitely is mayhem. So please check out the feature presentation. Let me know if you like it, let me know if you don't. I'm interested to explore more content like this, so do let me know what you think, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Hey guys, a little bit of mayhem for you today. I got this old padlock that is really corroded, really rusted, and I don't have the key for it anymore, and unfortunately it doesn't open. But I want to open it, so gone ahead and got myself a lock picking set, which is called a pick or a snap gun. Which comes with one of these tension wrenches. We're going to go ahead and insert into the bottom of the keyhole. And I've changed the tension of the gun itself to be about a quarter of inch snap, if you can see as I slowly pull it down. It snaps up, and the idea is that it pushes the pins up inside the lock, and whilst putting tension we can open the lock. Hopefully we'll see how we go. May take a little while, may take a moment, we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and insert this gun just above the tension key. And I'm going to give it a few snaps while holding down on the tension key. And you can tell I've been watching the lockpicking lawyer a little bit on YouTube. Oh, there's one. We got one of them. Oh, there's two. Oh, there's three. You're going to get lucky. Oh, yep. Bang. Bang. Opened lock. No key needed. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Little bit of mayhem for you. Very handy skill to have. It takes a lot of practice and a lot of work, but there you go. Opened the lock without a key. Not the hardest lock, but I'm also not an expert. So there you are, my friends. A little bit of mayhem for you, just to brighten your day. See you soon. Bye.